Hey everyone, I'm Lindsey and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. Let's go ahead and dive right into everything we have lined up for this week's episode. Our Discord community has reached 3,646 members. If you haven't joined yet, now is a great time to connect with like-minded individuals. And over on the social media front, we shared a fun little meme. If you're not following us on Twitter yet, you're missing out on the laughter and lively conversations, so make sure to check it out and join in on the fun. For Powered by Pinata this week, we'll be shining a light on 1inch. 1inch is a decentralized exchange aggregator that has revolutionized trading on the blockchain. They ensure that traders get the best possible deals by splitting orders across various decentralized exchanges. It's like a grand marketplace bustling with activity where traders can find the most competitive prices without the usual hassles of low liquidity found in many decentralized exchanges. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, 1inch offers a seamless and efficient trading experience, letting you capitalize on the dynamic DeFi space without worry. In exciting Web3 news, Backdrop Builds V4 has launched. Over 2,000 builders from around the globe have come together, full of enthusiasm and ready to turn their brilliant ideas into reality. It's thrilling to watch these updates roll in as these innovators use Pinata to enhance their Farcaster API projects. This event is a true showcase of the potential and passion within the Web3 community, and we can't wait to see what these builders will achieve. For tips and tricks, let's dive into how to build a transaction frame on Farcaster. Frames have evolved significantly, now allowing much more interaction than before. Imagine creating an on-chain store right within your social feed. This is possible with the Frame Transactions feature. We've taken this capability and developed a fun project, the Penny Hat Store. Here, you could buy hats directly or earn discounts through engaging activities, all enforced on-chain with minimal gas fees. Our latest tutorial will walk you through setting up this interactive experience step by step. And that's all for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting updates from our team. Until next week, I hope you stay curious and happy pinning. Bye y'all!